Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, April the 9th, 2020. We have one regular Sudoku and a lot of other Sudokus in the additional newspaper, but I will finish first the regular Sudokus. So let's get started with this medium Sudoku. Alright, I see here a 7 in this row, in the third row, a 7 in the first row. So in the second row, the only place for a 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these 3 boxes, 1 box remains for the 1, should be this one. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the second row. So in the row below, the only 2 places, this is the middle row, so in this row we have a 1 over there. In the middle row we have a 1 here. So in the row below, the only 2 places for a 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then we have here a 1 in this first column, a 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. I see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be this one. 2 numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for a 3 should be here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 here, here also a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3. These 3 numbers of this big square are the numbers 2, 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 2, 3 and 6. That means 1 box are left for this column for the number 8, I believe. No, we have the 8 there. The 5. The 5 is missing here. Alright. These 2 numbers for this column, the missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then let me see. We have the 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for a 1 is here, here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. And now, can we do something with let me see. A 2 in this row, a 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 2 should be here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 9, 6, and 4. I see here 9, so no 9. In these 2 boxes, 1 box remains for the 9, should be here. 6 and 4, 6 and 4 need to be filled in later for this row. The other 3 numbers, the missing numbers are 8, 7, and 5. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be here. 6 and 4, 6 and 4, that means here the 6, 7 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. 1 place left for the 8 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used, I can see, yes. We go to, which number can I use? Oh, can I do something with the 9? Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for 9 is here and there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in this column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 9 must be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see, yes, alright. Then 2 numbers are left in this row, the last row, for the numbers 7 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, I need to wait. Can I? 7, 6, and 7, 6 and 2. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 6 and 7. 2, 6 and 7. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 2 must be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and I see all the 2's are used. Yes, alright. Then which number can I use now? Because I need a 6 or I need a 4. 6, 4, and the 3 is not used. I see, yes. 3. The 3. Alright. 6, 4, and the 7. Yes, in the second row, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 6, and 7. 4, 6, and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. We have a 7 over there, so no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 4 also there. Here also 6 and 4. Here also 6 and 4. A lot of 6 and 4. But we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Here we have 2 numbers left. No, here we have 2 numbers left. Yes. For the numbers, the last row, for the numbers 7 and 6. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 box left for this row for the number 6. 1 box left for this big square for the number 4. 1 box left for this column for the number 6. 2 boxes left for this big square for the number 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left for this big square for the number 4. 1 box left for the second row for the number 4. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. 1 box left for the third row for the number 6. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and no we have a 6, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes here. two numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 8 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. If you like, you can subscribe on this channel. Download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for now, and I will see you the next time. So keep on puzzling. Bye bye.